Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. I am so tired, but me and Megan have forced ourselves to get up so we can go to the gym this morning, which is something we never do. We're both not morning people at all, but we're just forcing ourselves up. I also need to take my cakes in to the Minerva building for the cake fundraiser, so I need to drop them first before we go to the gym, which is another incentive to go. We're just up early. I'm just about to do my a little skincare routine because my skin is like really suffering. It doesn't look like it because it's clear. It looks clear on the camera, but it is quite like red. Especially I'm suffering really bad with like something under my eye. I don't know, but I just need to moisturise it more. I'll get some sort of good eye cream, which I asked on Instagram the other day, and I've got lots of suggestions, mainly Body Shop Vitamin E, and there was the Superdrug range is apparently really good, the eye cream, so might give that a go, but yeah. Me and Meg just booked a brow appointment, so we're going to go there later. And we just stopped at Superdrug and Tesco on the way home from the gym. We just did a leg workout that's killed my legs, like they feel like jelly. Just thought I'd show you what we got from Superdrug because we got some skincare. Well, people on Instagram were recommending me to get the Superdrug's own vitamin E eye cream because I basically was saying about my issue the other day. I'm going to give this a go and hopefully it's as good as everyone's making it out to be. And then it was like buy one get one half price. This was only £1.50 and it's the Nourishing Night Cream, and it just said it was good for like dry skin, and just thought I'd try that out as well because I don't really have a night cream that I'm using. Yeah. And then Meg got the same
as well, and a cleansing peel.
Yeah, that
which I think is kind of like a, you put it on like a mask, let it sit on your face and then wash it off, and
yeah,
it comes in muslin cloth. This was like £3 something.
Yeah, it was really, I really wanted to get it, but it's for oily, normal to oily, whereas my skin's so dry. Yeah,
on the actual bottle it says combination dry or oily.
Oh, okay, maybe I'll get it then because I actually was going to buy it.
I think it's just, it literally just gets rid of your like dead skin cells.
That sounds amazing.
And for a more youthful looking complexion.
Yeah, we're really concerned about our skin at the minute.
A night cream
and how we're going to wrinkle soon.
Age resisting night cream.
Age resisting, yeah, that just proves it. We're worried.
That's good though, age resisting. Like yeah. I'm just stopping it.
Yeah. Yeah, me and Meg are really concerned about our skin and how we're soon going to start getting wrinkles and old. Look, my eyes are really wrinkly anyway. But I know I'm going to get so many wrinkles. We're going to embrace it. Yeah, no, me and Meg were saying that we're going to embrace our wrinkles when they arrive. Because we were reading about, like, someone the other day, I heard them say in their vlog, like, they're going to get Botox, like, literally, and they're the same age as me, they're going to get Botox soon because they're starting to get wrinkles under their eyes. I was like, Jesus Christ, like, obviously everyone to their own, like, if you want to do that, then fair enough. But I'm just like, I want to embrace the wrinkles. Like, we're all going to get old at the end of the day. I can't be asked to have like drooping Botox and wrinkles when I'm even older. Like, there's no point. So I'm just going to embrace the wrinkles, but I will try and resist them as much as I can by getting skincare. Yeah, they need to fuck off. Because I'm only 20, and like, before anyone goes like, oh, you're only 20, chill out, like, it actually is scientifically proven that your skin starts aging from 20 onwards and it starts getting really bad in your late 20s, so I'm resisting as soon as possible. Look, we have cute little matching cups. They're from Primark, I think they're from last year, but...
And they have letters on both sides.
Oh, cute, matching. Shit, it's been right. Oh, fucko. Meg's just currently researching for her critique essay, is that right? Okay. And I'm just about to enter my biology coursework after I finish editing this thumbnail. Hey, second year's the best. Right, so we're now in Cafe Nero. Me and Megan just got our brows fleeked. She just slayed our brows. Look how good they look. She's put what did she put on mine? She put the conditioning primer, the foolproof brow powder, and Gimme Brow. And then she put browsings on Megan's. They look amazing. You see them on there? Yay! Modelling. Yeah, if we have any codes for you to get like a free tint or brow wax, then I'll leave them down below and you can snatch them up. I think it's first come first serve, so only one people can use one code. Spent all my taste buds We brought our own cups as well because Hat reminded me last time that you get extra stamp crackers as well to open, which is usually free stamps. So, and obviously it's helping the environment as well. They're my friends over there, and we're all doing some work in Cafe Nero now before I have rehearsals. This is Millie. This is Millie. We've just finished our dance rehearsal, and I just thought I'd introduce Millie because she's my pal from musical theatre.
Nice to meet you guys.
Do you want to do your little announcement?
Yeah, so basically, I'm in a show next Wednesday, 5th of December. Oh God, I just spat over, that's so gross.
That's all right.
In the Lincoln Performing Arts Centre. So come and see it if you're in Lincoln or even if you're not, because it's like £5 and it's student production and it would be great.
Yeah, and it's really good because I did part of it in my A-levels and I really enjoyed it.
Love Dr. Faustus.
It's
And
amazing.
if you like things like Sabrina off Netflix, you'll love it.
Yeah.
It's so good,
Yeah.
love it.
I really want to come and watch. I reckon I'll be able to.
You think? Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
I really want to come watch you. Yeah.
So I'm going in
Yeah, it's the day
now.
before the actual show as well. That's my friend. Oh, it's really quite sheltered in here a little bit.
It's really warm in here.
It's really warm in here. We're just on our way home. Just collected the children from the library.
It's the worst day ever.
It's pissing it down. The weather's not on our side today. Yeah, anyway, we're just looking forward to getting back in. I'm excited for I'm a Celeb, and we're going to play Mario. Right, so I've just got to Carrie's flat, and I'm just heading up to her now. I haven't seen her in absolute ages, so I'm really excited. I've just had a lecture, and it went really quickly, so I'm buzzing because my day's over. Okay. So I'm around Carrie's at the minute. I'm just about to edit this vlog and get it up for today. So thank you very much for watching. Also, thank you to everyone who's donated to mine, Megan and Hattie's like homeless care package thing. If you didn't know, basically me, Megan and Hattie are trying to raise £200. We've only got like 2 days left to do it, and we're on like 130 something, so I don't know if we will, but I'm definitely going to put some money towards it, like maybe to make it to 200 or whatever. But we're basically making care packages for the homeless in Lincoln because there's quite a lot of like homeless people, like, and we've noticed it on like nights out and stuff, so we're making like care packages. So we're getting like gonna buy them some clothes, blankets, food, drink and things like that, to keep them a bit warmer and having a better life over winter because it's a really shit time. Yeah, if you want to donate, even if it's just like £1, 50p, anything, I'll leave the link down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.